So I got bored, and so I decided to record a video. And I googled.
You're probably bored of the same popular Roblox games. So here are my top 3 games that are actually fun. Number 3 is Item Asylum. Super chaotic, super random, with weapons ranging from a stick to a literal nuke, because here we gamble with our lives instead of money. Number 2 is Microwave Dinner.
That's what I'm gonna be playing, I guess.
Pretty platformer, but instead of being those botted obby games that spam you with ads, this is a super unique game where you play as a literal microwave to collect frozen meals throughout worlds. And
so that's what I'm gonna be playing.
And number 1 is Block Tales.
Oopsie. Yeah. So let's hop into the video. So let's try out the game. New file, color, is there pink? I want pink. Maybe I can get it somehow? Please? I don't know. So, I had a look at the game, but did no progress earlier. Now let's figure out what to do. Yippee! Oh my goodness. I'm so cute. I'm a little microwave. Now where's that fridge? Where is the fridge? I can double jump. Cool. This looks like a cold place. Boxes. Can I fit through somehow? Oh? No. I don't think I can. Even more boxes. Wait, I can climb. And stick to the wall. Oh my goodness, what was that? Wait, I was like hugging the wall. Oh, look at my hands. Oh, my hands are hugging the wall. I can fly.
I believe I can fly.
Upgrade failed. Insignificant fuel. The next upgrade requires 2 total microwave dinners. You need 2 more. Okay. There's a broken TV. Oh no. Boxes are covering everything. Let's try going through the exit. Blue Fort Port. Wow. It's like a beach. But there's the fridge. The fridge. It's here. Can I enter the fridge? We were inside the fridge this whole time. That's why it was so cold. Anyway. I'm gonna fly again. Wait, it's shift. What's control? Oh my. Oh my. Oh. I'm a tiny microwave. I have a little and stubby legs. Oh my goodness. Hehe. Okay. Chicken. I'm guessing we follow the chicken. What's that? Wait, I was hugging the wall there. Yes! Oh my goodness! I can like pull myself up. That's so cute. Oh! I reckon you're one of them tourists. Welcome to Blue Fort Port. You've met the best farmer on the island. That I am. Oh, we can? He can give us piggyback rides. Wait. Oh! Wow! Oh my goodness! Why is this game so cute? Oh. I'm open.
Huh?
Okay. Lighthouse. X roll. Oh. Okay. Guessing this is a tutorial. Shift hover. Hopefully I don't fall in the water. Of course I fell in the water. Can I hover over there? Somehow? Maybe if I go on one of these. No. How do I get there?
A few moments later.
So that person rolled on the water. So let's see if I can do that. Yes, I can. Oh, and then I have to... Oh. Should have mentioned that you can roll on water. Shift. No. Okay, so we weren't supposed to go this way. Then where am I supposed to go? Just gonna roll around. Oh, I'm still in love with this. X dive while in the air. Ah, oh my goodness. That's so cute. But I still don't know where to go. Maybe I need more. Maybe I should collect drumsticks. That would be a good idea. Drumsticks and...
Hey, robot. Yeah, you. I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with that wheel of yours. You could probably even zip across the water to the lighthouse. That would be so cool.
Maybe I was supposed to read this. Oh. Oh, wait. That's what I was supposed to do. Fridge. I keep bumping into stuff. Ooh. 60. I almost have enough for that. Please. Just need a few more. There. Area unlocked. Restaurant. Blob. Or Bob. Up to the restaurant. Oh, a robot? A microwave robot. You must be here for a job. Go talk to Chef Bob. He's straight back in the kitchen. You're Bob, though. Kitchen. Hi, I'm the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. Oh, we're called Wait Bob. Oh. Great. I'll need some food for the shop. Soup. Can someone put it in that pot? I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. Okay. What's this? A frying pan. Where do I find lettuce? And the other stuff. Cheese lever. Lettuce. This is where I find it. Probably. Okay, I can't close it right now. Wait, don't fall into the soup. Drop. Oh wait, I'm pressing R. Drop. Carrot, fish, and chicken. Okay. Fish is probably also in there, right? Dive can break crates. Oh, we need to break these. And here it should be easier to break a crate, right? Alright. Oh, I'm hiding behind the drumstick, guys. Oh my goodness, okay. Is there anything else? That vent. Must be something up there, right? How did I get there? Hovering. Why would there be food in the vent? Maybe it's somewhere else. So I'm guessing they could be anywhere. Is there like a farm place? That's a fish. Yes. Maybe I can get in here. Somehow. Maybe we have to dive into this. Nope. There's one singular. Maybe that's where I need the vents. Or maybe I need to access it from the upstairs. Let's try that. Where's the fish pond? There. Yes. Boxes. Okay. Broke it. Now, how do I get in this water? Oh, I don't. Should just be able to. Oh! Huh? What the? Ah. Wait for it to jump. Got it. Yes. Okay. Got a fish. Why isn't my float working? Maybe because I'm holding a fish. Drop. Now it works. Carrot. Wait, that's next. Can I find a carrot? What could a carrot be? Suspiciously placed boxes. I don't know why they would pick one carrot. Oh wait! Broke from the pot. That makes sense. Yeah, I should probably... Okay. There we go. Got him! You finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to Chef Blob. Wait, his name is Blob. Oopsie. Let me talk to you. You mad that I jumped in your soup? Wow, you got everything, think. That's going to be a delicious soup. Everyone would love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? The restaurant's pet? Oh. Oh. I'm messing with ya. It must have been another fish you had, right? Anyway, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. What is that? Is it one of those... Is it meals? Dishes? I don't know. Microwave dinner. Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. You got a microwave dinner. Take it to FridgeBot's power core where it can be used as fuel. Collect enough to upgrade FridgeBot and unlock new worlds. Okay, I guess that's it in the restaurant.